me try to stop honking. Oh my, that's annoying. That's annoying, bruh. Stop that, bruh. Why are you doing that? Can you please stop honking? I'm trying to watch this fucking clip on a little set, bruh.
I'm trying to have a nice dinner with my wife. Could you stop? It's okay? Okay? No more?
He's bobbleheading.
No
Right.
more? It's okay? Okay. Because you'd been doing it a long time and he's not moving, so. Traffic jam. Okay. A long time and he's not moving, so. Traffic jam. Okay.
Jesus, dude. Jesus. Dude, he moved like a bubblehead. Chat, you know the old school bubbleheads? You touch them like that, right? And they go like that. It looked like that. That's funny.